Alright. Okay, claim, sure, whatever. I don't even know what I claimed there.
Really good ones too.
Fuck? What the fuck is... You hold down Z? You hold down Z before? What the shit?
Oh, it's inspect weapon.
Why?
You can move around and look at your weapon.
So silly.
You're like, oh, look at this sword. Look at this sword.
Yeah, let's do like an easy one, dude. I haven't played this game in forever. The controls are all fucked.
Oh, no, I don't.
No, I don't.
Yeah, it's literally like easy mode, and then you got like veteran mode.
They go from like squishy baby mode to, you know, battle hardened veteran mode. Oh, I need you. I love this fucking voice actor.
My
There's a secret.
Hard to fucking get unless he fucking.
What the fuck?
Yeah. What are you guys all doing back there?
What are you doing up there?
This is where we're supposed to go. Yeah, some dude joined and like, these guys are fucking idiots and left. Whoa.
Where I ran.
Pussy
is dry.
Great hammer.
Great penis unlocked.
Oh, he's got the
Fancy boy.
The class that you have to like pay for. Yeah,
he's gonna be so judgmental of us the entire time.
I know. Oh, hopefully this guy carries through kind of shit.
Yeah, I don't know. Wove now. God damn it, I got some.
Oh, what's he doing?
I don't know. I thought he knew what he was doing.
He's a shit.
I'm scared now. If he doesn't know what he's doing, then we're fucked. I think would you have a Skaven friend? Even if he smelled?
Maybe the big ogre one, yeah.
Just ride on his back to work. Oh, Beastman. I love this. I wanted to play against the Beastman. Get some big beefy Minotaur boy. You're like letting the puny elf pick this up. Won't you be a gentleman? Thank you. What's in here? Hmm? Hey, get out of here. Get out of here! It's my house! Meanwhile, they like just want to progress in the game. We're just fucking around. Stuck. Yeah, no shit. Oh, he is stuck? Is the dwarf stuck?
What is... Dude, dwarf dude is actually stuck.
Let's see what... It's like he's impaled. Where do we go? Where do we go now? When I'm at the top of my game, my disguise is seamless.
You will encounter massive amounts of dildos.
Just coming at you from all angles. Oh, these horse dildos, get him out of here. Watch your back, boys. Oh boy, he's a big boy. That's a huge bitch. Yeah, get out of there.
Oh shit.
You just got knocked the fuck out. So,
why is the elf like Scottish?
is an elf not allowed to be Scottish? Fucking racist.
It's just weird.
There we go. Finally, after like 20 minutes, I'm done opening all the boxes.